So have you tried Gyrotonic for your scoliosis? What's all the rage about Gyrotonic and how can it help my back? First, I want you to push that button and subscribe to our channel because we are always putting out content with information on health and wellness, physical therapy, Pilates, Gyrotonic, and teacher training. So how can Gyrotonic help my scoliosis pain? By the end of this video, you're gonna have a good understanding of what Gyrotonic can do for you. My name is Cheryl Dunn, and I've been working with clients with scoliosis for the past 2 decades, and I'm here to help you. So what is Gyrotonic? Gyrotonic is an exercise system where we strengthen the spine in all directions: flexion, extension, rotation, and side bending, and a combination of all of those together. We do it in a safe environment, providing decompression of the spine and the vertebrae. So comment below and let me know how this information helped you. Click on the link below to download our book from Amazon on back pain. And if you live in Austin, Texas, give us a call to schedule your appointment, 512-215-4227. We look forward to working with you.